Welcome to the ISO 22716 2017 training course. This course is specifically designed to help you implement good manufacturing practices, GMP, tailored to the cosmetics industry. Our mission is to provide you with actionable tools and clear insights into the standard, ensuring product safety, enhancing quality, and achieving compliance with regulatory demands. Adopting ISO 22716. 2017 is essential for cosmetics manufacturers who aim to meet global standards of quality and safety. This framework minimizes contamination risks, safeguarding consumer health while helping you establish strong quality control measures for consistent, high-quality products. By complying with this standard, you demonstrate your commitment to regulatory requirements, which enhances trust and builds your reputation with customers and authorities alike. This course is carefully structured to cover every critical aspect of ISO 22716, 2017. We begin by introducing the standard, explaining its scope, objectives, and key principles. You'll then dive into the general GMP principles, which form the backbone of safe and hygienic manufacturing practices. Next, you'll explore personnel and training requirements to ensure your team possesses the knowledge and skills necessary to maintain compliance. We'll also cover premises and equipment, emphasizing the importance of maintaining facilities and tools that meet safety and operational standards. The course will guide you through the handling of raw materials and packaging, focusing on best practices for controlling these critical elements. You'll also learn about production and in-process controls, ensuring consistency and quality at every stage of manufacturing. From there, we'll examine finished product controls, outlining rigorous testing procedures to guarantee products meet safety and quality standards before reaching the market. Documentation and record-keeping practices will be thoroughly explained, ensuring you maintain transparency, traceability, and compliance. Finally, we'll explore audits and continuous improvement, helping you identify opportunities for refinement and maintain adherence to the standard. It's important to note that while this course provides sample templates for guidance, the full documentation kits are sold separately. This course is designed for professionals involved in the cosmetics manufacturing industry. Whether you're a quality manager, production supervisor, regulatory compliance officer, GMP auditor, cosmetics manufacturer, or an industry consultant, this training will enhance your expertise. Whether you're new to GMP or looking to deepen your knowledge, this course provides the tools you need to succeed. When you enroll, you gain access to a variety of resources to make your learning journey effective and practical. These include comprehensive GMP checklists that help you evaluate compliance with ISO 22716, 2017. Interactive quizzes will reinforce your understanding, while real-world case studies will provide practical examples of how GMP has been successfully implemented in cosmetics manufacturing. We also include customizable policy templates to guide you in areas like quality management, change control, and corrective actions. To ensure a complete learning experience, you'll have access to detailed guidelines on raw material handling, production, finished product controls, and other critical GMP processes. These resources are designed to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to implement these practices effectively. The ISO 22716 2017 training course is priced at just $89. The course is self-paced and can be completed in approximately 4 to 6 hours, offering flexibility to fit your schedule. Don't miss the opportunity to elevate your manufacturing processes and achieve compliance with GMP standards. Enroll today by visiting our website and take the first step towards strengthening your cosmetics manufacturing operations.